Google Workspace 2024, the future of digital collaboration and productivity. Since its debut back in 2006, initially known as Google Apps and later rebranded as G Suite, Google Workspace has transformed into a global phenomenon. Today, it's more than just a set of tools. It's the backbone of countless businesses, schools, and individuals striving for seamless productivity. Imagine over 3 billion people worldwide using Google Workspace, an astonishing number that makes it the reigning champion in the office software arena. With applications like Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, and more, Google's suite of tools dominates the market, holding over 50% of the global productivity software share. To put that into perspective, it's roughly more than half of the entire market, dwarfing competitors such as Microsoft Office 365, which holds around 45%. It's not just big corporations that rely on Google. Nearly 15 million websites across the internet run on Google Workspace. The vast majority of these, more than 6 million, are based in the United States, highlighting its popularity in the American digital landscape. In fact, U.S. sites account for over a third of all Google Workspace websites, far outpacing any other country. Major platforms like Facebook, Google itself, WordPress, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram are all leveraging Google Workspace tools, confirming its vital role in digital infrastructure at the highest levels. Looking at regional use, Google Workspace's reach extends beyond the US. Countries like Germany, the UK, Israel, and France also feature prominently, each hosting hundreds of thousands of Google Workspace-powered websites. On the application front, Google's tools lead the pack in monthly active users. Google Drive alone boasts over 2 billion users globally, far surpassing competitors like Dropbox. Google Docs, with over 1 billion active users each month, is a household name, eclipsing Microsoft Word's 750 million users. Google Sheets and Slides also pull impressive numbers, over 900 million and 800 million monthly users respectively, showing a strong preference for collaborative, cloud-based office tools. Gmail, Google's email service, serves over 1.5 billion users monthly, making it the most popular email platform on the planet. Google Meet connects over 300 million people every month, doubling the user count of Microsoft Teams. All these figures highlight one thing. Google Workspace isn't just a suite of digital tools. It's an integral part of daily life for millions, reshaping how we work, communicate, and collaborate. As it continues to grow and innovate, its influence is unlikely to fade anytime soon. Want to stay ahead? Keep an eye on these trends, leverage real-time data, and let Google Workspace be your secret weapon for success in 2024 and beyond.